Yo, we up in here again, man. Showing y'all what we got going. So, the harness is really out. Y'all can see, there's all the harness stuff over there. These wires here are fuel pump and fans and stuff. So, I'm about to label those so I can know what's what goes where. And this thing coming up out of here, man. The whole harness coming up out of here. And that'll be it for that harness. And I guess I'm gonna find where I'm gonna drill my hole at back up in there somewhere. In that firewall back there. And yeah, finna run that harness through. And might get to putting stuff back. Yeah, get you putting stuff back, man, cause we gotta go back up with this thing. So yeah, let me boy, I hate wiring, man. I really do, dog. Like, y'all don't understand. I hate this right here, but it gotta be done, and I ain't gonna pay nobody to do it. So let's quit complaining like a little punk and get to it. Yeah. Here we are, man. Old harness. Like I said, I don't know what was wrong with it. I don't know. It could have been installer error. I don't know. I don't know. So, but I'm gonna keep these relays off here, and that little fuse block right there, I can use that for something probably later on in the future. But yeah, man, got that thing out, and about to put this other boy in, man. This is that's the diagram for the old harness. I just labeled all my stuff over there that I had. My fuel pump wire over there, which is about to get upgraded. Right there in that loom right there. Well, right here. Right there. And yeah, so everything out, man. Finna go back up with this thing. Finna get on the inside of the car. And well, first I'm gonna try to pick me a little divot in here somewhere so I can see inside the car. Hopefully I can put a nice enough dent in there where I can see inside the car, where I can cut it, where I can, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and drill my hole so I can send the harness back through. Yeah, that's about it though. So let me get to what I got to do, and get y'all back in a minute. Yeah. Let me see. Make sure that thing ain't showing, man. Make sure that thing ain't showing, man. Hey, look. Hey, man, I done all I did. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. I ain't gonna say I'm the biggest YouTuber. I ain't gonna say I can bring you the most business, man. But y'all know. If I go and get something and I tell y'all about it, y'all gonna go and get it. Hey, man, we can't do. Man, I'm gonna probably end up telling y'all anyway, cause I ain't got back with me yet. But I'm really over all this free promotion, man. That's why I ain't really trying to show what type of harness I got yet. But I got a harness, and it's a reputable company. And like I said, eventually, more than likely, I'm gonna end up telling y'all anyway. But as I ran through the car, through the firewall, on these bubbles, man. Yeah, you can't see it, but where your main harness at, on the bubble, man, on the passenger side, man, just reach up under the hood here, and let me see. You can't see it, but yeah, it's right there. Y'all see what it is? Right past that wire, that red wire. Y'all can see down there where that other bulkhead at right there. Bulkhead right there. It's 2 screws on there, man. Y'all can just unscrew that. Pull the harness through right there, man. You know what I'm saying? Pull the harness through. It's gonna, man, walk right up in there. You got enough room, trust me. So you bring all your engine stuff back through that hole, no problem. Shout out to my dog Allen, man, for even pointing it out to me, because I had looked at it, but then I was like, nah, that ain't gonna go in there. So shout out to Allen, man, because I was gonna get ready to drill me a hole with my hole saw it. I went and bought a hole saw and everything. Where's it? I don't even know where my drill is. Gotta be in one of these boxes. Or is it in the car? I ain't see my drill in my hole saw. But anyway, I was about to, man. Eyes right here. Look, man, went and bought me a drill and a hole saw. Man, went and bought me a hole saw. I already had a drill. Bought me a hole saw, man. I was about to get to work on this thing, man. But I didn't know where to drill the hole, so I called Island, man. Like, man, you got a bubble down there you working on right now? He was like, yeah, you can come look at it. He was like, but you can probably fit it in the hole where your main harness at that's already in there. Like, for real? I just looked at that. He was like, yeah, try that. Man, put that joint in there. It's in there. Now, the harness in there. Everything labeled all good and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Everything labeled all good. You really can't even tell it's a harness in here, but it's in here though. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff, they're gonna be pushed over. So, like how the harness fit, I'm gonna push it back. Push it back up in there. Man, you ain't gonna even know there's no harness in there, man. Yes, sir. On this side too, y'all see everything pushed back up in there. I gotta bring my sensor wires and stuff back up to the front so I can, you know what I'm saying, get all that done or whatever. But yeah, man. Putting this thing in here right quick. Hopefully we get fire in the hole today. Hopefully everything grounded right and get fire in the hole. And that'll be all good with me. I gotta put my starter wires and all that stuff on. But yeah. All good, man. Harness look good. Man, look like real good quality. So, man, I'm hoping that change all my issues that I had. I'm still go ahead and drop that tank and do that fuel pump in that sending unit though. I'ma still do that. But yeah. So let me get back to work, y'all. That paint talking, boy. Let me get back to work and I hit y'all when I get a little further in progress here. Yes, sir. Hey, look, I ain't even finna lie to y'all. Like, this the first crank and all that right there. This is not the first crank. I had to make sure this motherfucker wasn't gonna blow up when I started it up. So, I done did a crank already. But the harness is in. The computer is inside the car. Everything is reading. Man, everything reading, man. Everything hooked up, man. It was simple. I'm talking about simple. So everything is hooked up right now. To my knowledge, tomorrow, because it's 10:17 at night, so I can't let it run like I want to. But tomorrow, I'm going to finish checking everything, like the fans and all that stuff, which I already hooked them up to the spots where they already was. I just want to make sure everything cool, so I can check any fuses or whatever I need to check. So, that being said, man, let's fire this thing up for y'all, man. Still ain't heard back from these folk, man. So I don't know, y'all. I want to tell y'all, but at the same time, man, hey, it's about my bread, dog. About my bread, about my worth, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, anybody of that stature will understand. But fire in the hole. Yeah, hey, look, y'all see, I got that old fire extinguisher sitting up there. Hey man, I can't play no games, baby. I can't play no games. But y'all heard though, fuel pump. Well, that ain't the fuel pump. That was the fans. That's the trans fan. But here we go. Check in like went on at first. I gotta see what's over there for. Other than that, sound good. It is all good. So with that being said, man, the fans was on, but both of the fans was on. I don't know what was over there. The car ain't hot. The car can't be hot. Gotta figure that out. I don't know what's over there, but both of my fans running right now, which they ain't supposed to be. Hold on, wait, do I got that? Do I got the heat on? No. Alright, so I gotta figure that out, which I ain't hooked everything up yet. So I haven't hooked everything up yet, so once we hook everything up, then I'll see what's what. Get Mike over here to help me try to figure this stuff out or whatever. But yeah. As far as everything else, I think we good, man. It's the first time both fans came on like that, so I don't know what that's about. But yeah. Anyway, man, I'm about to clean up, go in here and lay it down, man, get ready for tomorrow. So man, shit, dog, man. B-Lo Nation, man. Got this harness together. Man, stay tuned for the next part of this, man, cause we gotta get this junk right. Hey, man. Next gonna be me pulling this fuel pump and putting this sending unit in. Gotta do that. So I probably, if I drive the car tomorrow, I'll probably turn around and go ahead and get ready to drop this tank, man. Yeah. Yeah. Man, it's your dog, B-Lo Nation, man. We out of here.